Title: Neil Armstrong, A Journey to the Moon. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we explore the lives of remarkable individuals who have left an indelible mark on history. Today, we delve into the extraordinary life of Neil Armstrong, the first man to set foot on the moon. Join us as we explore his biography, from his humble beginnings to his monumental achievement. Let's get started. Early life and education. Neil Alden Armstrong was born on August 5, 1930, in Wapakoneta, Ohio. From an early age, Armstrong displayed a fascination with aviation and the desire to fly. He took his first airplane ride at the age of 6 and was captivated by the experience. This sparked a lifelong passion for aeronautics. Armstrong attended Bloom High School, where he excelled in academics and participated in various extracurricular activities. He was known for his curiosity, determination, and an unwavering drive to succeed. After graduating, he received a scholarship to Purdue University, where he studied aeronautical engineering. Military service and test pilot career. In 1949, Armstrong joined the U.S. Navy as a naval aviator and flew combat missions during the Korean War. His exceptional piloting skills and dedication led to his selection as a test pilot. Armstrong served as a test pilot at the National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, NACA, the predecessor of NASA, and later at NASA's Flight Research Center. NASA and the Apollo program. In 1962, Armstrong became an astronaut and joined NASA's second group of astronauts, known as the New Nine. He made his first spaceflight as the command pilot of Gemini 8, a mission that achieved the first ever docking of two spacecraft in orbit. But it was Armstrong's role as the commander of Apollo 11 that would etch his name in history. On July 20, 1969, Armstrong, along with Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins, embarked on a journey to the moon. As the lunar module pilot, Armstrong took control of the lunar module, Eagle, and carefully piloted it to the surface of the moon. One small step for man. As millions of people around the world held their breath, Neil Armstrong descended from the ladder and stepped onto the lunar surface. His iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe. With that single step, Armstrong became a symbol of human achievement and inspiration for generations to come. Legacy and later life. After his historic moon landing, Neil Armstrong continued to contribute to NASA and the aerospace community. He served as a professor of aerospace engineering at the University of Cincinnati and held various advisory roles. Armstrong also remained a private and humble individual, choosing to avoid the limelight and let his achievement speak for itself. Tragically, Neil Armstrong passed away on August 25, 2012, but his legacy lives on. His indomitable spirit, courage, and unwavering pursuit of knowledge continue to inspire aspiring astronauts and scientists worldwide. Conclusion. Neil Armstrong's journey from a small town in Ohio to the surface of the moon was an awe-inspiring feat. His dedication to the pursuit of knowledge, his courage, and his extraordinary accomplishments have solidified his place in history. Join us next time as we uncover the stories of other remarkable individuals who have shaped our world. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating biographies. Thank you for watching.